everybody, that's Robert.
That's Julie.
It's our thing.
This is Tuffy.
Ouch.
Ouch. She had surgery.
I had surgery last Friday.
Yeah, and she's not feeling real well with it, but she's doing good.
Yeah, I'm having to keep my arm in this sling. I've got bandages and sutures and everything over here. They had to pull all of my muscles and my tendons together. They took off a
bone spur.
Big bone spur.
Hockey is not her game.
No. Yes, it is.
Yeah, it is.
I don't know what he's talking about.
Go Bruins.
So I know, go Bruins. So anyway, we have a new addition to our family. Thursday before I had surgery, the pest control guy came out here and he goes, I can't spray the backyard because you've got kittens out there. And I said, oh, I know we got kittens out there. You know, they're okay. And he goes, no, they're being born. I was like, oh, really? He goes, yeah, on a black tarp. And I'm like, a black tarp? I'm like, a black tarp? So I went out there. Sure enough, there's this mama cat having her babies. So we left them alone, let them do their thing, and Friday morning I went and had my surgery. We checked on them periodically through the night. Friday morning I had my surgery. Robert went out and checked them. Mama wasn't there, right?
Right.
And
yeah, she was gone.
Yeah, she was gone. And so they were all still alive. Well, had my surgery, came home, and Mama was nowhere to be found. Two were gone. They passed. They died. Then there's this one, and he's the powerhouse. And his name is Tuffy Lee. Mm-hmm. And he is a week old today.
Yeah.
He's a week old today.
Yeah.
And so we've been up every 2 to 3 hours feeding him. He really doesn't eat every 2 hours. He eats every 3 hours, and he's only supposed to be eating 2 to 3 bills.
Sleeping.
Sorry, I took my medicine. I took my pain medicine, and I'm kind of loopy right now and tired. But he's supposed to eat every 2 to 3 hours. Well, he eats every 3 to 4 hours, and he eats 5 meals at a time. He's supposed to only eat 2 meals. So get him out and show him.
Very tough.
So anyway, he's so cute. He's a crier. That's our little guy. He's just a baby. I'm just a baby, Daddy.
I'm trying.
Good God Almighty. I know. Put him back over there.
That's Tuffy.
That's Tuffy. That's Tuffy Lee. Molly Jo doesn't know what to think about him. She really doesn't. Hey, turn that on low for a little bit.
All right.
He might be cold.
Speaking of all that, it's almost 1 year to the day coming up pretty soon.
For the kits.
About a month. So about 11 months, I guess, and that's a little less than 11 months, a little more than 11 months, but we measured Pig the other day, and Pig is 30 inches long. He's 2.5 foot long. From
head to tail.
And he was that size or smaller when we got him. So it's been an adventure. So welcome to Cathood.
Yeah. Okay. So what we did is we have got a graduate.
You know, if holidays aren't enough, there's 1 month that doesn't have a holiday in it, and that's August. So you think you get a lot of stuff for holidays, but then you get holidays that have...
Where's the cup?
Have graduating days. I don't know. I heard it when I put it down. There it is. I heard it.
No. The glass cup. There it is. Okay.
I hear it. I hear the cup.
Okay, so we're going to do a graduation bag real quick.
Yep.
And this is a Dollar Tree graduation bag, what we're doing. Our, Robert's nephew is Robert's nephew's brother-in-law is graduating from high school.
Funny how that works.
And so we got him a congrats to the grad bag. Well, I didn't know what to get him. so I got him, don't pull it out yet. Then I got him a 2024 mug. And we're going to just set that down here inside. Get the socks. He likes to golf. So we got him a pair of golfing socks. And we're just going to stick those in there. Now.
This is all cat toys.
What?
And batteries.
What kid does not like candy? So we got him. Oh, they're butterflies.
Oh, that would be nice.
I'm sure some Albanese butterflies. They're not the bears. And we're gonna just stick that down in there. Then
Sugar babies.
I got him some Sour Patch Kids. I got him. I am addicted to these things. Some Starburst jelly beans. Now these are on sale right now for 88 cents because they're 75% off.
That they have Dollar Tree right now has got a sale going on for leftover Easter candies, and that was part of the leftover Easter candy. And 88 cents. I don't know if you price candy now, but a candy bar where I work is $4.50.
I got him some Swedish jelly beans to put in there.
Any place you can find candy that's tolerable for cheap, that's a good deal.
I got him some belly flops, not unless you're going to keep those.
I don't know,
Those
I've
are the
never
Jelly
had.
Bellies.
Who makes?
Those are
Oh, these are
Jelly
Jelly Bellies. These are Jelly Bellies, so these ought to be pretty good.
I got him a Rice Krispie treat. Are we going to put those in there?
Yeah, put them in there, let them have them. I can always get more. You only graduate once, hopefully.
I got him some Blue Flaming Takis.
Those will get you.
And some Sugar Babies. And, you know, what graduate doesn't like. And I got him a card. And so, all in all, we spent 1, 2, 50, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10, 11. We spent probably about $15 for this little bag. This whole bag here. That's including the bag. So you can find stuff for the graduate at
Dollar Tree.
Dollar Tree. And they have other things. They have shirts. You can buy them a shirt and put in there, you know, $5 for a shirt.
If you want to do a little more, you can always buy a gift card, because I think they have gift cards too.
Yeah, they have gift cards there. You can buy a $20 gift card.
Throw it in there and you know.
Or you can put it in a card, you know.
Yeah, put it in the card.
So,
and these Dollar Tree is probably the cheapest place around to get greeting cards by far. I mean, what is this, 50 cents? Mm-hmm. Yeah, the cards are like 50 cents a piece. You can go to like some of these drugstores and spend $3 or $4 on a card. So quick and easy.
Okay, so we bought a couple of things for the house. I bought a dish drying mat. These are the best things, $1.25. Now, I cook healthy, and I take meals and stuff. Just put that down for a minute. Put it down. I take and do meals and make them healthy. Well, they had this cookbook called Instant Lost, Eat Real, Lose Weight. And so I'm going to go through here, and what I do is I pick out, eggplant. I pick out
I'm not an eggplant person either.
things, and I mark it, and then I try it, and then I make it on my channel, and I put the recipe down in the bottom of it. Okay, so now what we got? Of course, we got the dupe, peanut butter crackers. We got the dupe, jelly beans. We got a cat toy.
Speaking of cat toys, like I said, the babies are going to be a year old, and when you have a house full of them, to keep them from tearing up furniture and craziness, and we get craziness anyway. We get them all kinds of cat toys, and
Got him a fish this time.
you can go to places, you can go to pet stores and spend a lot of money on cat toys, or you can go to like the Dollar Tree or someplace like that and get a big fish for like $1.25. So I don't know what.
These are just more jelly beans because they were on
I don't know what
sale.
they're going to do with it, but also you can never have enough cat balls running around. Cat balls are the thing. You get 6 of those for $1.25.
And Pig loves the things like this.
Yeah, this just turns Piglet on like crazy.
He's got these little fingers. He hides and he brings back, and he hides and he brings back.
And he throws them in the water bowl so nobody else will play with them.
Because he knows I'm going to throw them in the towel bin
and dry
and
them.
they're going to get washed.
Yeah. So I mean it's crazy, but so if you're looking for, now you have to be careful with any cat toy or dog toy or pet toy that you buy. And make sure that they are safe. And I mean that's anywhere that you buy pet toys and things like that. So just look over what you're getting real good and make sure it's safe for them.
I forgot my Wade Bowen koozie.
You got a Wade Bowen koozie?
Yeah. Oh. Anyway, these bottles here, okay, they're $1.25. And what I do is I drink juices. Like I take the little 0 sugar juices and I put them in a water thing, and then I put them in here and I fill them up with ice. Well, to keep them from sweating and to keep them cooler, I put koozies over the bottom of them. My one koozie's over there.
Where?
See my pink one right there on the cabinet?
Yeah. Oh, this is the one for your family reunion.
Yeah. But anyway, I take a koozie, and you can find these, I think, at a Dollar Tree too. And if not, I make them and I can put your name on them.
Yep.
But I put the koozie over it. This is a koozie, and they're about the same size. And
so koozie it.
What I do is I just stick them on there and I leave it on there. And when I wash it, I just take it off, wash it.
It keeps a lot of that sweat ring from the bottom of the
getting on your table.
Getting on your table and ruining your furniture.
And I got another one because it got watermelons on it and it's cute.
It's easier to grip too, so you can get a good hold on it.
Yeah.
And then we buy batteries at Dollar Tree. I have a remote control car, and I bet I've tried everything from the black and gold Duracells to you name it. And the difference in life expectancy between the cheapest battery you can find and the most expensive battery you can find is probably about 20 seconds.
And we've hauled these before.
Yeah, so the deal is these are $1.25. You get 8 AA's, 8 AA's. If you have TV remotes, anything like that laying around the house, man, don't spend the money on something that's going to last, you know, a day longer than something you pay $1.25 for. And you go to places like I guess like a Walmart or a Target or someplace like that. For AA's, they'll want $10, $1.25.
Okay.
What else we got?
So lighters. They have the little lighters. They have the long lighters. We needed a lighter because the guy from across the street came and borrowed it, never brought it back. But that's okay. They're only $1.25.
If you light a lot of candles, and we do candles around the house.
I light them in the kitchen.
Yeah, so we just like the smell of candles, and they're pretty. This is the way to go to light those candles instead of lighting a match and sticking your hand down there and catching yourself on fire.
Okay, now, I cannot afford oil of Olay products because they've gotten just outright expensive. So I found some dupes today. They have hydrating moisturizer. It is in a glass. I was looking at them, and they're packaged very well. I can't even get this out of there because I can't shake it with my arm.
Shake, shake, shake.
I got a cream cleanser, which is paraffin free.
Things that make you go,
I know, right? And then I got a hydrating night cream. But these are about the same size. They're in a glass jar. And I'll let y'all know how these work out. But I've heard a lot about these. And the packaging is awesome. I love the packaging on them. And they're supposed to be as creamy as the oil of Olay. Oh, man. I hear you.
We hear you, Tuffy.
Yes, they're just as creamy.
Okay.
It dropped on the floor. But the packaging is so nice. Let's see how this feels on. Oh yeah, it's not greasy at all. Like the oil of Olay is not even greasy. That's not greasy. That's nice. That's really nice.
Did you, this is kind of like something. Hang on a minute. I'll be right back.
And he shall return. Ooh. It even smells good too.
I don't know if we did this in a previous haul or not.
We did it in a previous haul.
But along the same lines where you can find in their checkout stands with the
yeah,
lighters.
they're in the little kiosk at the checkout.
They have these little flashlights that are magnetized and they stick on your fridge and stuff. And I can't tell you, these are like $1.25 too. And I can't tell you how many times you needed something in the kitchen to get under the sink or whatever. Or you just needed a flashlight to get to the breaker box or whatever. $1.25. They're in the same spot as these things.
And I put and all I did, we have a big freezer in the back, and so all I did is stick it in there. So if it were power outage or breaker flips, we got something to go look at it.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Is that all of our haul?
And that's, I think, is our haul. Did we haul it all?
I think so.
Okay, so what should we got?
Yeah, because this is extras.
Yeah, that's extras.
This is empty. That's his stuff. So, yeah, that's it.
You know what? Tuffy's over there.
It's our thing.
That's Julie.
That's Robert.
Hey! Glad you got to see us. If you found anything you liked in this video,
let us know.
let us know,
If you want us to haul other things, let us know. If you want us to do things that...
Leave comments. We love your comments. And please like and subscribe.
It helps our channel out.
Helps
and
our
we're
channel
not in
out.
it for the money. We're in it for the fun.
We're just having fun.
We're just having fun.
We get into all kinds of weirdness, so... We done?
88 cents.
Get it while you can.
The Easter candy is on sale.
If you love Peeps, they had a ton of them.
Yeah?
They had a ton of those
They had a ton of Peeps. The blue, the yellow, the pink, the purple, the green.
They even had gummy carrot candies.
Yeah. They had gummy carrot candies.
So get them while you can. Get them quick.
Yeah.
We'll see y'all later.
And we'll let y'all see Tuffy grow as he goes.
Yeah, he's a mess.
Yep, he is.
Okay.
He's precious.
All right, see you later.
Bye.